Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with cumbersome vacuum cleaners that weigh you down and struggle to pick up dirt and debris? Look no further than the Kenmore DS4065 Cordless Stick Vacuum 1L, a game-changing cleaning solution that's about to revolutionize the way you keep your home spotless. With its powerful 21.6V battery and 2-speed control, this vacuum delivers an impressive 40 minutes of runtime, allowing you to tackle even the toughest messes without interruption. The extra-large 1L dust cup is not only easy to empty, but it also features HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of dirt and debris down to 0.3 micron, leaving your floors feeling smooth and looking pristine. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. It's well-reviewed and a popular choice among those who value convenience and effectiveness. One of the standout features of the Kenmore DS4065 is its lightweight design, weighing in at less than 5 pounds, making it perfect for above-floor cleaning or carrying up and down stairs. The 2-speed control allows for 8,000 PA of powerful suction, thoroughly cleaning your home without the hassle of a cord, and the LED battery status meter provides a clear indication of battery and charge level, motor speed, and more. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, carpets, or upholstery, this vacuum delivers a powerful and efficient cleaning experience, and its LED lights illuminate even the darkest areas, allowing you to see dirt and debris that would otherwise go unnoticed. With its ease of use and impressive performance, the Kenmore DS4065 Cordless Stick Vacuum 1L is the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine, and with its easy setup and convenient wall mount storage, it's always charged and ready to go, making it a must-have for any home. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.